All right, welcome back to part 3. So here we are adding a fur. So let's select the rope and let's come under the particle properties and just push the plus sign here. So here we actually have this menu that comes here. We don't want the meter, we want the hair. So notice exactly what will happen here is the fur comes, where is it? Okay, it's down here. I know it's grainy right now, you can't see anything, but it's down right here. So the thing is, we just don't want it to be here, we want it to be everywhere around here. So let's come where it says source, open this, and then enable where it says use modifier. What does it say? Modifier style. Enable this. So notice it actually enables the fur everywhere around the body, which actually is to our advantage. It's what we want. So we change the hair length from 4 to 0.025, and let's change the hair number to something like 10, something like 100,000. That actually works well, and that will actually drag the machine to be slower. And the other thing is, let's, where it says advanced, tick that. Let's go down, physics, open this physics, and then Brownian, where it says Brownian 0.025 or something like 1. Let's go for 0.1. I think that will actually work well. Yeah, that's about it. So let's push the render button. The next part will be about adding the actual colors. You tell me in the comment section if you really want me to add this or not, but otherwise I like what I'm seeing already. This is amazing. But you can tell me if you want me to add textures, the wood texture to the actual log here and the rope itself. But otherwise, if you actually do a render for this, it will give you good results. You enjoy your render. Thank you, and subscribe, like, comment. Bye bye. Thank you.